One of the most exciting functions of the Panthera Cloud microscope is that we can upload and store our images directly into the cloud without needing a computer. Let's find out how to do it in just a few steps. First, connect the Panthera Cloud to a screen using the HDMI cable supplied with the microscope. Ensure that a mouse is connected to your device so that you can work with it. After that, you will be able to see your microscope image on the screen. Go to Settings. On the left menu, click on General and select the Go to Wi-Fi option. Ensure that the Wi-Fi button is on and select your network by clicking on its name. Insert the network's password and select Connect. Once the connection is successful, go back to the previous menu using the arrow at the bottom and then select Cloud Service. Remember that the Enable Cloud function needs to be activated and then select the Dropbox option at the bottom. In the dialog box, click on the Enable button and then Login. When this message appears, select Chrome and click Always. Select OK and Accept and Continue. This will direct you to the Dropbox homepage where you can access with your account or create a new one. If you have an account already, please log in with your account details. Once you've entered your login details, select Sign In. To complete the setup, please select Allow. And once you're done, return to the previous menu with the arrow at the bottom. You will know that the connection was successful if your Dropbox name appears instead of the login text. Once this happens, close the dialog box. Your saving folder is now created on Dropbox. If you wish to change the default name, just access your account online. From here, you'll be able to change your name to the one you desire. Now, working with our Panthera Cloud and Dropbox will be super easy. All your images from the gallery can now be uploaded to your Dropbox just by clicking the cloud icon on the side. Select the default folder created and select OK. This will upload your image on your Dropbox account. As you can see, with these simple steps, you can start storing your samples captures directly on your Dropbox account. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. For any questions you may have, contact digital.support@moticeurope.com.